Okay, another project completed. I took this fabric with this. It's a white fabric with these red kisses on there. I just love this fabric. It matches the Marilyn Monroe theme. And I took the back off my shelf, and I'll show you in a minute. And also, one of the products, I use this red contact paper. It's kind of got a glittery look to it. I just love this. It's gorgeous. Anyway, so what I did was I took that shelf, my bookcase shelf, and I took the back off of the shelf. It had a, it's like a cardboard trifold thing on. I took that off and wrapped this material around it, and then attached it back on my shelf, and then I used the contact paper to do the sides. I just love the way this looks. Doesn't this look awesome? Now to put all my pretty things on there. It's just going to look so great, I think, with all my accents. I'm going to put that right there. Make sure that looks good there. I got these candles that I want to put on there. Yeah, and then I have another one. See how that looks? Oh yeah, that looks so pretty. And then I got, of course, all my little these canisters. They're gonna go right up on this top shelf. I think I told you about them before. These were originally Betty Crocker like glasses for the holidays that you could put like cookies and give them out as gifts. Well, after Christmas, they marked them down, and I purchased them because I thought, oh, those will look pretty in my office. And they do. I put these little black stickers on them to label what's inside them. And I think they're really, really cute. There we go. Yeah. Give them a little space there. Yeah, that looks pretty cute. Yeah. Yep. Then, of course, my mason jars that I made with the bling. Yes, I got this gotta go on there. Kind of angle them there. And of course, I finally found a use for this. I put markers in those writable markers that you have to turn upside down. So far, there we go. It's looking really pretty. Now I've got to put the final touches. My shoe, it's got the roses in it. I kind of like that angle, I think. That. Of course, my ruby. It's a paperweight but I just love it for accent. And one more thing. Okay. And ta-da! There you have it. That is my cabinet. I think it looks really pretty. I love it. I hope you do too. Just give me feedback. Tell me what you think.